What is up, YouTube? It's Joel Too Cool. Today we got a mystery box. This one came from Adams Polishes. I ordered it through Amazon. That's why you see the Amazon box. But for this one, it cost 35 bucks on Amazon. I think it's $29.99 on Adams Polishes. Guarantees you $50 worth of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open it and see what we got and if it was worth 50 bucks. Let's check it out. A box inside of a box. Alright, so what did we get? Some spray nozzles, leather air freshener, regular air freshener. What do we got here? Edgeless utility 2-pack. So some nice towels. They feel really soft and plush through the bag here. Ooh, glass cleaner. Interior detailer. That seems to be a popular one. I'm seeing that in a lot of videos too, along with the glass cleaner actually. Waterless wash, that seems to be another favorite that they like to put in these. This is my first Adams Polishes mystery box, by the way. Oh, wow, that's it. Wow, I'm actually kind of let down. So I'm gonna total this stuff up. I don't think that equals $50 worth of stuff, but yeah, let's go do that right now and we'll be back. Alright, YouTube, so here's what happened. I got the totals for all of these, and by the way, I'll link this stuff down in the description below if you want to go check it out for yourself. But the glass cleaner was $12.99. The interior cleaner, also $12.99. The waterless wash was $9.99, as well as the towels are $9.99. It's actually here on the package. When you total all of that up, you only get $45.96. So I wasn't real thrilled. I'm hearing, they underdid this, but they charge $3 for these air fresheners. The actual price of them on their website is only $1.99, which makes it $49.94. But what the deal is, they say that when you order the mystery box, the sale prices that are online do not count. So you got to pay the full price for everything here, which means, like I said, these are $3 a piece. Instead of being complimentary like other companies do, they're charging you for those. So that total is $51.94. So I'm not too thrilled with the Adams Polishes. I'm probably never gonna order their mystery box again because it feels underpackaged. It's kind of feels scamish. I've ordered Chemical Guys and got $40 more than what I paid for. Same thing with Liquid X Detail. Their stuff, they overdo their boxes instead of underfill, and they're never at the bare minimum. They're always over. But nonetheless, I know there's a lot of people that like Adams Polishes. That's completely up to you. If you want to get their mystery box, more power to you. But this was Joel Too Cool. Thanks for watching.